swag bow, gun blast in the background. I'm a black man with the bloodhounds. Mac 10 making love sounds to a bad chick. She from uptown, I'm from down south, not a loud bound. We can fuck around. Hit the music, baby, cut it down. Hit a doobie while you doobie and doobie. I feel like I'm a bust now. I feel like a bust down. When I shine bright, blind niggas is up now. In the cut, big black truck pack, sacked up. You can pick it up now. Nigga, fuck it, okay. Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the strap if it happen to blow it, mix around sounds. Pussy cat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns.
I know I can't afford to stop for one moment, that it's too soon to fall.
Me and my money attached emotionally. I get the clutch and if you get too close to me, I'm at the top where I'm supposed to be. Jumped in the gang, niggas act like they coaching me. 400 rats ain't shit, but it's show to me. I'm on the road and I bet that you hold with me. When I'm in traffic, it's always a pole with me. Pillsbury, man, I keep door with me. Hit from the back, she giving me slurp, and I ain't even pull my pants down. Jump in the box and slide to the other side, it's always a man down. Draw down, hands in the air, nigga, make one move, get gunned down. Give me that smoke so long, they don't even wanna talk no more, they just run down. No lock doors, I serve with a chalk. Bitch got spent, she was hanging with a op. We call him Mickey, top to the car. I was on Pinedale, glass and salt. Back in the day, I invest in the block. Fast forward now, I'm investing in stock. I put a drum on the heckling cots. Don't play cause I'm very invested in shots.
Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the strap if it happen to blow it, mix around sounds. Pussy cat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns.
Pussy cat in the streets cause he stay up, she should breach. Then I took him back, now he said that he's shaking and he's chill. Like the way it tastes and he ain't dated in a minute. They call me young baby, but I still got hella shit.
Oh shit, run that motherfucking crown, you bitch. You motherfucking bitch. Sorry in advance for my bros, they'll whip a nigga ass, what you whipping up? Shit in the back, if you looking for the dope, niggas got it in the bag, cause we trapping on the low. And I'm the shit with the flow. Give me a joke. Heard the niggas say that you the next. No, I'm the best. Tell them bitches stop the motherfucking press stop. Fuck a top 5 list. Get him a vest, he get lopsided. Fuck the cops, we was running from Rottweilers. Most of my partners ain't had poppers, just a pop condom. Couple kids with Alzheimer's, 40 on his side. Boy, you Mike Allstott, he on the block violent. Robbing niggas in the hood and then swap genres. Green light, line a nigga up, stop sign him. Keep driving, you will not find him. I'm an anomaly. I turned into a rap ironically. I ran the back up, niggas is on me. Niggas should honor me. If you think I'm a wannabe, it's pretty comedy. I'm melancholy and cool, so calmly busting moves. My troops carry velocity. Same posse since Osh Posh Bagash Pussy Clock. Treat the rapping like a pushing rock. On the stove with the Pyrex pot. The door stay locked, it don't say knock. We on they block, we on they block. It's Monopoly games, we stole their properties. Smooth talking and moonwalking, the same little nigga. Small pun, but a pool shark. I aim big stick, knock chalk off cue balls, bang this shit.
It's Fergie. If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home. If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home. If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home. If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home.
I've been going to sex in a I've been going to sex in a
Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the strap if it happen to blow, it makes surround sounds. Pussy cat on my lap, push it back and go to town, down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns. I came back around like a nigga selling crack in pounds. I got the bag now, but it's nothing to brag about. Gun blast in the background, I'm a black man with the bloodhounds. Mac 10 making love sounds to a bad chick, she from uptown, no from down south, not a loud mouth, we can fuck around. Hit the music, baby, cut it down. Hit the doobie while you doobie and doobie. I feel like I'm a bust now, I feel like a bust down. When I shine bright, blind niggas is up now. In the cut, big black truck, pack, sacked up, you can pick it up now. Nigga, fuck it, okay. Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the strap if it happen to blow, it makes surround sounds. Pussy cat on my lap, push it back and go to town, down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns.
I know I can't afford to stop for one moment, that it's too soon to fall.
Me and my money attached emotionally. I get the clutch and if you get too close to me, I'm at the top where I'm supposed to be.
Well guys, we are back from Super Show, and if you can tell by my eyes, I'm very extremely tired still. After Super Show, I was able to go and take, fortunately enough, I was able to take a nice 7-day vacation. So I'm just getting back in town today. Today's my first day back at the shop, and the guys absolutely freaking killed it on unload and getting everything ready and put back in stock and getting orders out as quick as possible, because you know, being gone for a few days for a show, things get a little hectic. It's been put away, all orders have pretty much been taken care of except for a few of the fabs that I'm still working on right now. Other than that, everything was great. For a lot of you guys were asking about Super Show, Super Show was absolutely freaking amazing. You're gonna get a lot of, you know, he says, she says, a lot of different stuff, but anything normally with a true lowrider name behind the show normally does freaking great. In the beginning, it was a little bit different this show, and I'm gonna kind of break it down for you guys and kind of what we expect and how things go in the flow of things. And normally by the time the show opens to, let's say, 12 o'clock, we normally have X amount of customers that come through and we talk to and we say hi and we greet and sales and stuff like that. This show was a little bit different. I don't know if everyone was just like excited to be in Vegas or what, but this show was a late start. Even though the show started a little bit earlier, the crowd of people came in probably right around 11 o'clock. After that, we just had wave after wave after wave. Then it would die down and then a wave. And overall, the show was great. One thing we did notice was just a wave of people. Instead of being continuous like we are normally used to, if any of you guys have been to a show and you guys stop by our booth, you guys know it's pretty hard to get to our counter because there's normally 1 or 2 people, rows of people lined up just to get to our product or just to talk to us. And it gets a little overwhelming, a little crazy. This show was kind of nice because the guys that were coming in, the guys that were serious, the guys that have never met us, we were able to actually talk and have a little conversation and spend a little bit of time with each person that came up. So overall, the show was freaking, like I said, absolutely amazing. A lot of our customers took home prizes, which obviously, you know, a lot of us aren't there for that. We're here for the love of it, but it's also good to get rewarded for something you worked so hard on. And the Gonzo was one of those. Gonzo was built as a street car, a very clean street car. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about the purple, lavender, gray, you know, blue. You guys see it in different colors, but it is more of a very light pastel purple. And that car did absolutely freaking amazing, especially because that car was built to be on the street. And that guy took home 3rd place lowrider of the year. So first off, I want to congratulate anyone that absolutely, or that touched that car. Anyone that laid their hand on that car, that did any part of that car, I want to say thank you guys, because obviously it's a team effort and you guys did it. So congratulations to you guys. We had a lot of other customers that took home awards as well. So congratulations to you guys. For us, we are back here in the shop. We are busting our backsides just to get stuff done because we have SEMA right around the corner. Not only that, this Friday I leave and head back to Vegas again for some other stuff. Then I come back and then I'm gone again. So I got a lot of stuff that I'm traveling to in between all this, and like I say, it's a little overwhelming at times and it gets tiring. I've been gone. I'm going to show you guys what has been going on here at the shop, kind of update you guys on a whole bunch of product that's coming out or restocking, and let me show you guys that now. So zigzag dumps and zigzag dump covers are coming back in stock. We are on Op 1 and Op 2 on these guys, so we got one more on each one, and then those will be done. Also working on a whole bunch of the mini faucet slowdown or mini faucet tank plugs. So here's these guys. And here they are. Obviously these are straight off the machine, so they're still a little oily, but those are being ran right here. VF4 over here, we have center pressure blocks being machined up. So you guys can see we got a whole bunch of blocks. And I'm gonna show you guys without getting splashed. Hopefully I can show you guys. Let's see if I get splashed. Some of the items being worked on right now. Let me show you guys some more. VF3, they're just finishing up another small batch of Chevy bow tie manifolds. So these guys are all pretty much done. I'm also working on some backing plates and a few other items that I can't show you yet. ML15 over here, we're working on the towers for the zigzag slowdowns. So these are almost there. The finish is nice and shiny. Starting off as a hex bar stock. And that's them right there. Work our way down over to the VF2s, and those guys are running blocks and backing plates. So just like you guys are always used to seeing on this one, this was running blocks and backing plates. And then backing plates over here. Some new items coming out that can't really show you guys yet. If you guys are at Super Show, you guys got a sneak peek at them. But there's some new items right here and also there. Also some new items right here as well. I can't really show you guys everything. On those, but those are coming out soon. We're working on finishing up on those. The crazy part on those is those come out in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a total of 9, actually no, 9, 15 pieces to make one finished complete piece. So that one's taking a lot of work, but that one's pretty much there. Again, if you guys did the Super Show, you guys saw it because we kind of gave you guys a sneak peek without saying anything. And then we'll be getting those ready for SEMA. The guys are absolutely killing it on shipping right now. They're getting all the shipping out. Good old Vic doesn't want to. There he is. Setups that we're working on as well. So these will be getting posted on IG in the next few coming days. So you guys keep your eyes out for those. We'll be working on those, finishing those up as well, and finalizing the dumps. That way we get these all complete. So the guys have been freaking working their butts off here. They got everything taken care of, which I was expecting to come back to kind of a shit show, I ain't gonna lie. But they handled what they had to handle. They took care of it. They got all the orders out. And the good part is I'm coming in right now and I just gotta catch up on a few of the cutting stuff and then a few of the plasma and welding jobs. And we'll be pretty much caught up. As we're cutting away right now on some 1/2-inch thick plate. That guy's been cutting for a while now because 1/2-inch takes a little bit longer. Gotta move so slow. But I got a cool delivery. That's what I'm talking about. I got a good delivery here. Something that you guys wanted to see, something I wanted to see. Let me show you real quick. Some wire wheels. Also got the chips in white with the locking knockoffs, and super excited for this. Now you're probably asking, you need wire wheels for, right? Because everyone says I don't got a lowrider anyways, right? But what else should I put it on besides my new purchase? Oh yeah, we're gonna mix it up, guys. We're gonna mix it up for sure. We are gonna toss on some 13.7s onto this bad boy. I'm gonna hope they're gonna clear because the 13s are actually a little bit bigger than my 15s I got just because of tire height. But I wanted to stick with the white wall. I just went with some standard tires just to, because I'm gonna drive the crap out of this thing. I'm gonna daily this thing back and forth to work. Bam! That's gonna look different. These here minus the adapters, which I'm kind of bummed because I wanted to put them on. I got excited, but I can't put them on yet. But the adapter's gonna be showing up tomorrow. Now the question is, to cut it or not to cut it? That is the question. Because a few weeks ago, I'm like, nah, I'm gonna keep this thing stock for now and we'll see what happens. 2 sets of wheels later, let's put it this way. I got more wheels than I filled up that thing as far as gas tanks. I got 2 sets of wheels that I got for it already, and I've only filled up that thing once. So I guess that kind of tells me what's gonna happen as far as this thing. I think that's kind of like determining the way the build's going. Shoot, I just said build. I guess it's a build. Hey, we're gonna figure something out. Why can't you just leave something stock, Alex? Jeez. But it's all fun. Again, I like it different. I'm kind of excited for it. I'm kind of, you know why I'm really excited? Because I'm gonna get like so many people that are gonna be like, Alex, why did you do that? That's the best part. That shouldn't go on there. I know, exactly, it shouldn't. But I wanted to, so. So we got the adapters in. The only issue we just ran into right now, which I'll get into that right now, but what I'm doing is I'm getting the chips glued up right now, making sure those sit before I bang on them. And then I did go ahead and remove, I had a 3/4 inch spacer on there, and I did that originally on these wheels, and I did that just because it was actually hitting the front strut, so because the offset on these things are so crappy. But we put the spacer in there and it worked on these wheels over here that are on the truck right now. But now with the 13.7s, with that spacer still in there, the wheel literally stuck out like completely, like the whole tread was out here. So I mean, I like the look of poke, but if it's not in the wheel well, it just doesn't look right. So I went ahead and removed that. We just put a straight adapter onto the truck, removed the 3/4 inch spacer, and then we're gonna try it on from there. I believe, I mean, obviously it's gonna move me in 3/4 inch, but I think it's gonna make it look a little bit better. Still stick out, I'm still gonna stick out probably a solid 4 inches, but I think it's gonna give it a nice look. So we're gonna go ahead and try that real quick, see how that looks. I'm gonna get these tightened up and then I'll show you guys what it looks like.
It's with Alzheimer's, 40 on his side. Boy, you like all style, he on the block violent. Robbing niggas in the hood and then swap genres. Green light, line a nigga up, stop sign him. Keep driving, you will not find him. I'm an anomaly. I turned into a rap ironically. I ran the back up, niggas is on me. Niggas should honor me. If you think I'm a wannabe, it's